Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Jennifer.
I'm Sheila.
And if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. And if you are returning, we're so glad you're here with us again this week. Don't forget to give us that thumbs up if you like what we're doing.
Do you know what I like to eat?
What do you like to eat?
Mexican.
Me too. You know what else I like?
In the crockpot?
Crockpots. So we decided we would come up with something we could make Mexican food in a crockpot. So today we're going to make a crockpot enchilada stacker, and it is so good. And so easy. And I guarantee you.
Don't you like easy?
I do love easy. I mean, I know people are like, oh, you guys always make easy stuff, but you know what?
Yeah.
Easy is good, especially when you're tired and you've been working all week. I don't know about you, but I like easy.
I like stuff that you really don't have to have a lot of dishwashing liquid.
Neither one of us like to do dishes. That's why we always got Mom. She helps us. She likes to do all that tidy stuff. We're like, let's just make a mess. Thank God for Mom.
I know.
So we're going to do this recipe. You're going to love it. It's super easy to save some for later in the week and have it again or freeze it. It's wonderful. So let's show you how we do it. All right, so we got our skillet on medium heat.
Yes, I'm going to put some olive oil in.
Just maybe a tablespoon or two.
Yeah.
Yeah, just whatever, just a little bit. Just enough so we can add...
Sweet onions.
You know how we are about onions.
I know, we got to have onions.
Sweet onions, too. Steve loved them sweet onions.
Like I said before, we could put these in pancakes and we'd love it.
And then just going to get those softening up and add some lean ground beef.
Yeah, there's a chopper.
I'm going to chop that ground beef up. I love this little tool.
I know, that's awesome.
Best tool. And then I always like to season the meat. So we're going to take a little bit of this taco seasoning. Get that in there. And we're going to continue to brown this up. Just make sure it gets brown. Not too long. And now that it's brown, I'm going to turn off the heat. And we're just going to slide this back. And we're going to head on over to the big red bowl.
Yes, shotgun red bowl.
That's right. And the first thing I'm going to start off with is a bell ringing on my phone. And these black, these black beans. Somebody's dinging me. I forgot to turn off my ringer, guys. And then...
Rotel.
And that's the tomato and cilantro.
And then the corn. We love our sweet corn.
Love sweet corn.
Just put the whole bag in.
I am.
All right.
Dump it all in there. And then we have just the mild red enchilada sauce. And this is the big can. And I'm going to pour all of this, but maybe just leave about a third in the bottom because I want to use it on the top. So I'm just going to...
Save it for later.
Save it for later, yeah. Just leave just a little bit in the bottom there. And look at me. Like right there. Okay.
Yeah, measure it.
Yeah. And then I'm going to mix this up a little bit as soon as I find that spoon.
Yeah. Where's that spoon at, Jen?
Why is it when I set things out I can never find them? I'm like, it's here, it's there, it's everywhere. And then once we get that mixed in, we're going to go get our skillet.
Yes, and pour it, the lean ground beef in. Grease and all.
That's right. It's actually pretty lean, so there's not a lot of grease. So
that's what I love about lean meat.
Yes. And we're going to go ahead and get this mixed together. It smells delicious.
Yes, it does.
I could eat it right out of this bowl.
Mm-hmm. Look at all the color. You know how I am about color.
I know. All right. So what we're going to do then is take 2 teaspoons of our taco seasoning again, and I'm going to season the mixture as well. Yum.
This smells really good.
It does. So once we get that all mixed together, then we're going to take our crock pot and we're going to pre-grease our crock pot. Now, if you want to use a liner, you can, but we're pre-greasing it, and we've got our large tortillas, the grande tortillas.
Yes. Grande.
And I'm just going to put a scoop of our mixture in the bottom here.
Is that all I get?
That's all you get. That's it. That's all you get today.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put the tortilla on top of that. This way it's not just sitting right on the bottom.
Right.
And then I'm going to fill this tortilla with a nice, big, thick layer of our mixture.
Look at that.
Look at I'm making a mess. I'm splashing it everywhere. You can tell I'm hungry. I just hurry up and get this thing done.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. You know me, I like something fast and easy.
Speed it up, would you? Add a little bit of
Mexican
Mexican
our cheese. We love our Mexican cheese blend.
Yes. A little sprinkle of that in there. And then we're going to add our next layer. Another tortilla. And they fit in here perfectly.
It was made just for this crock pot.
I know. And I'm just going to start scooping. Look at me go.
No, go, go, go. Let's get this thing done.
Start putting another layer here. Probably have enough to do one more layer after this. So go ahead and get that in there. Spread it out. Add our cheese.
There we go. Yeah, look at there.
I'm speeding this up for you guys. And then I'm going to add that other layer. And I'm going to put the rest of this in. I think this should be it right here. And then we're going to add some more cheese.
Cheese.
And then finally, the final top layer. And remember that enchilada sauce I saved? We're going to pour it over the top. Kind of just like you do when you're making regular enchiladas for the oven, you know? And then I have some cheese here, but I think we might need a little more cheese, Sheila.
Okay, I'll get it out of the fridge.
I don't think this is going to be enough because you know how we like cheese. I think all I have left is some sharp cheddar, so just grab that.
Okay. All right, here it is.
Hey,
there you go.
More cheese.
Ooh, I hope again that we didn't have any.
I know. And then I've got a small can of just your black sliced olives.
No, it's really looking like a Mexican dish.
I know. Yum. And then I got some green onions. I always keep green onions in a jar, right? You know, with some little water in it right there. And then I can just chop them whenever I need them. We're going to cover it. And we're going to put that crock pot on about 3.5 hours right now on low. And we're going to come back and check it, make sure.
Yeah, I'll take the lid off.
It's been 4 hours. And look at that. And it's so tender. Look at that.
I know.
Just scoop that stuff
out. You know me, I
here.
want my part first.
I know. Let's scoop it out. Let's eat. We've been waiting on this for 4 hours. We're ready. Yum.
This is the reason I wanted her to go in fast mode.
Sour cream.
Yes.
All right, let's eat. Let's try it.
I am ready.
All right. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good?
Awesome. Look at here.
I am ready.
Yeah.
I need some cheese, though.
Yes.
Sprinkle some cheese on there for me.
Okay.
Got some sour cream and some cheese on there. Ooh. Put some cilantro on top of it, too, if you want.
Green onions, whatever you want to put on it.
Load that up with cheese, would you?
Yeah. Here's another one.
Yeah, thanks. Not like there's not enough cheese in there already.
We like cheese, butter, and onions.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Smells so good. Oh, Jenny, you've been serving long?
Yeah. Here we go. Ready?
You can tell we're hungry. We're like, get it in there, get it in there. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, love Mexican food.
No, this is really good.
It's just really good.
Let me say that again.
Say that again?
This is really good.
We can't.
I couldn't even get the word out.
She's speechless because it's so good.
That's very rare.
Oh yeah, that's very rare around here. Either one of us are speechless. So.
And people ask us all the time if, when we're cooking, you know, not on camera or we're doing something somewhere, are we like this all the time? We are.
We are. Pretty much. Same way outside the cameras we are in. So, well.
What you see is what you get.
That's right. As Steve would say, is this the best slow cooker enchilada stacker? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye.
All right, let's
go.
have some more of this. This is good.
Ready?
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.